stuff, then you can come to catalog, and then in the user, you click create, and then you key in their email. But when you key in the email, you need to make sure that they already log in, register the account.com, and then verify their email. If they didn't verify, you cannot find their email from here. Let's say I try any of the email. Look, it will show user this email not found. So means they didn't register yet to account.com and then verify their email. So you also can send invitation, but send invitation, I think they must verify their email or accept the invitation within 24 hours or 48 hours. This one got some limitation. So I usually recommend you to let them directly click into the account.com and then verify their email. After once they verify, then you can add them to the catalog, and then you can add. Maybe I use my own email. Actually, one. Okay, verify user. It will show is registered user, and then you can see their full name, and then you select the rank, admin or member. Then you just add. Okay, after you add, you have them to install the applets. After you have them to install the applets, then you can go to role and then click into this role, and then you come to user. From user here, you click add. Once you click add, you can see actually the user that you added to the catalog just now. You can see here, means you can see this email is not untick, right? Untick means this users we didn't add to this role. Okay, so you can see which email already added to the role. Okay, you can find that role and then tick and add to this role. After once you're done adding the users to the role, then they can access to the data. They can see, they can create the transaction, they can edit everything.
Okay.
So removing of the user also the same. You can click and then remove the user from role, and then remove from catalog. You remove from the role, and then you go to catalog, uninstall the applets, and then remove the user from the catalog. You